Welcome to Yellow Mail channel. Like, share and subscribe this video for me. Thank you.
What should I do now? Our castles will collapse. What should I do? I'm so sad. What's wrong with you, baby? Sister, our castles will collapse. What should I do now? Oh, don't worry. We just need to redo it. It's so easy. Okay, sister. Now I will build a very big and beautiful castle. You'll see it. Just wait a minute. See, I finished the first one, and now I will do another one. It'll be so much beautiful and big. They're very great, and now it's my turn. I also want to build a very big, beautiful castle. Just wait a minute, you'll see it later, okay? See, now I got the first gorgeous one, and I will do another one. It won't take too long, don't worry. See, now we got 4 beautiful castles. It wasn't too much difficult, was it? Yes, you're right, but I'm hungry now. Okay, let's go out to eat. Let's go. And now what would you like to eat, baby? I would like to have this donut and this cookie too. And I will get this one. How much does it cost? It costs 5,000, please. Here you are. Thank you. We got back home now. Just let's have it. Okay, you have it first. It's so delicious. I like it so much. Really great, sister. Now's your turn. Okay, let me try. You're right. It's so delicious. And very tasteful too. Yes, this is the most delicious cookie store. But where's our mom? I miss our mommy. Don't worry, baby. She will get back home soon. Mommy! Mommy's home! Mommy's home! Hello, girls. Are you be nice at home? That makes me really happy.